certified baby massage and baby yoga instructor, and in this section I'm going to talk you through a face massage routine for your baby. So when we're massaging on baby's face, there's two different types of massage strokes that we can do. We can do sleepy strokes for your baby, which of course helps to relax their eyes and aid sleep and relaxation. And there's also some strokes that are more remedial strokes that you might tap into if your little one is struggling with some aches and pains around the face. So to start with, we're going to start with some sleepy strokes towards the top of the face. What we want to be aware of here is just to make sure that your hands aren't cupping over the top of the head. We want to keep the hands and fingers free from the top of the head here where it's quite soft and vulnerable. And we're just bringing the strokes on the face here at the top of the forehead. So to start with, we're going to start with some sleepy strokes on the forehead, starting with your thumbs or fingers, just in the centre of the forehead, coming all the way out to the temples, giving baby lots of lovely smiles. And then we're going to move slightly further down and we're going to trace baby's eyebrows. So here we're coming closer to the eyes, and the idea being here that we're really helping to relax your little one's eyes, getting them ready for some nice relaxing sleep. After we've traced over the eyebrows, we're going to just take a lovely nose stroke coming from the top of the forehead down to the tip of the nose. Again, this can really help to relax baby's eyes to help them to fall asleep. We're then going to move on to some of our remedial strokes now. So for our first stroke, we're going to do a stroke called happy sinuses. So happy sinuses is the idea that we're going to help decongest baby's sinuses if they're a bit bunged up, a bit snotty, got a bit of a cold. So what we're going to do here is, using your fingertips, we're going to start on the tip of baby's nose. We're going to take the stroke up to the bridge of the nose, coming back down to the tip. We're going to trace over the cheekbones, coming around the ears, over the jawline and down to the chin. So we're not massaging on baby's neck. We never massage around the neck area. It's along the jawline, back down to the chin. So I'll just demonstrate that one again for you. We're on the tip of the nose, coming up to the bridge of baby's nose, back down to the tip, tracing over the cheekbones, around the ears and down to the chin. Then we're going to move a little bit further down and we're going to try some strokes called happy smiles. So we can do these strokes to help ease any aches and pains that baby might be experiencing through teething. So what we're going to do here is put some pressure onto the lip and hopefully get that pressure through to the gum and help to take a bit of pressure off the teething pains for baby. So if you imagine when you've got stomach ache, you might put some pressure on your tummy to relieve that pain a little bit. It's a similar idea when we're massaging on baby's mouth. So you're going to take your fingers, starting in the centre of baby's lip, on the top lip, and we're going to bring the strokes out to the corners of the mouth and then bring those strokes back to the start again. So we're putting a little bit of extra pressure on here just to make sure we're getting through to the gum, and then we can do exactly the same on the bottom lip for the bottom gums, and we're bringing that stroke from the centre of the lip all the way out to the corners. So this really is the only area where you would use a little bit of extra pressure on the face. Then we're going to move on to our cheek circles. So cheek circles, you're taking 2 fingers on each hand and you're coming just below the ears, just around that jawline there. And we're going to take some nice nourishing cheek circles just to help ease any aches and pains that baby might experience around this area. Babies use this area quite a lot, using the muscles in their jaw to suckle, to feed when they're starting to make sounds. And also, if baby's teething, that pain often radiates up the jaw to the ears. If you see your little one pulling on their ears a little bit, some of these cheek circles can just help to ease any of those aches and pains that might be radiating through the jaw. And there you have all your strokes for baby's face.